cubes from tables. So tables of cubes in the mathematical tables provide an alternative means of obtaining cubes. So a section of cube tables from 4 figure mathematical tables is as shown below. So we have a column indicating x values, then a column indicated from 0 to 9. We can treat that as a second column. Then there is a third column for the differences. So for example, we want to use a table of cubes to find the cube of 1.60. So here we look at the row labeled 1.6. That is here. And column labeled 0. So the point of intersection of the two is 4.096. And therefore, cube of 1.60 is 4.096 to 4 significant figures. In our next question, we are looking for cube of 1.732. So from the tables, we look at row labeled 1.7 and the first column labeled 3. So that is 1.7, column 3. So their point of intersection is 5.178. For the fourth digit, which is 2, we look at the same row of 1.7 and the second column labeled 2. So here is the second column labeled 2, and the figure there is 18. Therefore, we add 18 to 5.178 as follows. And the result is 5.196. And therefore, cube of 1.732 is 5.196 to 4 significant figures. Still on cubes from cube tables, we want to find the cube of numbers less than 1 and cube of numbers greater than 10. So that is what example 4 is about. So cube of numbers less than 1 or greater than 10. So our first example is 0.0015. So from the cube tables, we only have cubes of numbers from 1 to between 1 and 10. So the first case is to express 0.0015 in standard form. And that would be 1.5 times 10 to the power of -3. So hence, 0.0015 cubed will be 1.5 times 10 power -3 cubed. And that would be 1.5 cubed times 10 power -9. From the intersection of the row 1.5 and column 0, the cube provided in the table is 3.375. So 1.5, 0, we have 3.375. And therefore, the cube of 0.0015 cubed will be 3.375 times 10 power -9. Our second number is 1500 cubed. So again, in third form, 1500 would be 1.5 times 10 to the power of 3. And that we can write as 1.5 cubed times 10 power 9. So what we have, 10 power 3 cubed will be 10 power 3 times 10 power 3 times 10 power 3, and this is 10 power 9. But we have seen that from the tables, cube of 1.5 is 3.375. That multiplied by 10 power 9 becomes the cube of 1500 to 4 significant figures.